I'm Willis with the Marchant Brothers Review. I was going to show you my EDC, my everyday carry bag, just for people. You know, you might want to carry some of the same stuff, and you might not. But I will tell you, I do like this backpack for it. It is a Glock backpack, and I will show you the reason why I really like it. In this pouch here, it has a built-in holster, and it will carry your Glock. It's the Glock 19 in it. I do like that it has the built-in holster, and then in the front, you know, you can even put your extra mags, you know, however many you want in it. I like that feature of it. And then we'll move on to the next, just to show you kind of what I got in here. Tylenol. I carry my Tylenol with me. I got a fire starter. Even I got a cigarette lighter and a tourniquet. You never know when you might need something like that. We'll move on down to the next one. I got my schmog, or my sling, or whatever out of it. I got some phone charger stuff, a light, spoon. There's my light that I can charge off of my stuff. Chapstick. I also have some of the pre-packed food that I carry. And I have an emergency blanket that I carry in here because I never know what I'm gonna use, you know. And I even carry dryer lint with me, and I just put it in a pill bottle in case I have to start a fire. So I usually carry a couple of those, and I carry the matches in the watertight deal. This is a pin, and it also has a handcuff key in the back of it in case you ever needed that in some kind of situation where you needed a handcuff key. I carry that with me also. You never know when you need to sharpen your knives. Carry that. And a weather radio. I carry a weather radio with me when I go places. And then this is for the next part. This bag is actually really big. I carry a Sawyer water filter. Always an extra shirt. I carry a medicine plant deal where I know what plants I can use and what I can't. Some ibuprofen I carry, and then here's my deal to purify my water. You know, I can put it on the fire. Another fork. Here is a deal for one of my devices, my phone or my flashlight, that I can plug it into and charge it. Another one of my flashlights. I carry face masks because you never know when you might need some of those. I have a crank flashlight. You know, that's really nice for if you don't have a battery or any way to charge anything. I carry my snake bite kit with me. Some paracord, extra batteries for my flashlight, another flashlight. Then I carry some Tylenol, some nasal spray, aspirin, some moisturizing nasal spray, small pocket knife, and then this is just a multi-tool. You never know when you need a multi-tool. Now I carry another small pocket knife with me. And then I carry my gloves, which everybody needs a pair of leather gloves. These got plastic knuckles in them. And then for the back pouch, which you can see this bag is carried a lot. I carry my purifying tablets for water. And then I just carry like some triple antibiotic and some cortisone, you know, stuff. And then I got gauze in here. Quite a bit of medical stuff. You know, there's some medical tape, rubber gloves, more gauze. Here's just bandage stuff. And you can put whatever you want. I'm just giving you an idea of what I carry and how big the bag and stuff is. You know, there's some more gauze. This is actually vet wrap for a horse. And you can buy it at the Tractor Supply place, and it works good because you can wrap it around your arm and it stays in place. And that's all I have in this bag. And I would appreciate everybody for watching, and please share. Thank you.